Hey guys, how you doing? As you can see, today I'm playing with a new mold, which is Dominoes set. So they've got the little indents on the bottom part, so that means the bottom will be the top in the end. So I need to think about doing this in reverse. So what I'm going to do is pour a little bit of resin in here. I'm going to put a little bit of colour in it, so some of the Bondi blue. And then when that's gone a little bit tacky, I'm going to put in some shells. And then once that's done, I'll put in another layer to fill it up. And I'm not sure yet if I'm going to put sand in there or not, or just more of the shell grit. Maybe. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, so I'm going to use the art cast from Just Resin, and obviously a little bit of the Bondi blue from Colour Obsession, and obviously some shells. Alright, let's get started.
Twelve seconds later. Two hours later. Two hours later. Tomorrow for sure.